let's see today I'm having a topic. Topic it's not a topic. It's a storyline. See, we will just learn today how to create the story. कुछ भी जब भी स्टोरी बनाते हैं, there is some kind of criteria, there will be some kind of format. So what is the format? First, we will start with the there is, there was, or there will be. Fine. Then another will be the characters. Then another you will have a situations in that inside the stories. Then you will have efforts. The character what the efforts they are putting inside. And then conclusions will be the results. Okay. So I'm being as a teacher, I'm just going to help you in this format how you can create the instant story as well. Okay. So let's create a story. See, there was a village, name was Rampur, and then Ram was living in that village. Ram was a very honest and docile person. Docile why? Because he was very honest, innocent and very honest. He was not even just disturbing or not bothering or torturing to the others without being inside. So being as an honest guy, he was receiving a lot of floods towards the civilians and villagers. So one day what happened? When he was just traveling to the other station, he saw one child was crying on the side. And he was not a married, Ram was a bachelor. Okay? So when he saw that child was crying, the child was not a child, it was infant, new baby born is called infantilize. Okay? So what was the village name was what? What was the village name, guys? It was a Rampur. Sound it. What was the village name, guys? Rampur. Fine. The character name is here is what? We are taking as a Ram. So who was traveling? Ram was traveling one day. He was just traveling one place to other place. So he saw one child was crying. Suddenly he just went near to the child and he took him in his lap. Lap का मतलब क्या होता है? गोद होता है, right? And then he thought like, who left this infant in this middle way of like where the people are not even coming or coming oftenly. Then he just took that child along with himself and he started his journey. Fine. किसके साथ उसने journey शुरू किया? He started a journey with a new child, newborn baby that is known as an infant, right? When he reached to his destination, who reached? Ram. Okay. Ram. When he reached to his destination, he thought like, where I will keep this child. Okay, the main concern was what? The Ram concern was the only that small child. Because see, being alone, you can stay anywhere, right? But when you have some kind of obligations, guys, like when you have some kind of burdens or response, how you will manage? So he was just bothering about that infant, and he thought like, okay, I will just hand over this infant somewhere where this child will be taken care nicely, right? So he just went to nearby some house and he requested one family just to take care of that infant for some time. For how long? For some time. He requested them, just you just manage this child for at least 2 hours. I will come back and take that child along with me. The family was very innocent and they thought like this problem. Okay, Ram is having a problem. So they accepted that proposal and the family started taking care of that infant. Who is the infant? The new baby. New baby किसको मिला था? Ram को, right? So what had happened like, when after returning back from his work, when he finished his work, Ram came back to his family and took child back and started his journey again. So he is now returning. Who is returning, guys? The Ram is returning towards his house. Okay, अपने घर को वापस आ रहा है. Okay, after few months, the child grown up and started walking slowly. Ram thought like, if I'm giving a good futures, he might be my crutch in my future life, right? Crutch का मतलब होता है बशाती सहारा, whatever you call, right? So he started taking care of that children as a own child. And after few years, the child was not the child. The child was a very prominent doctor in that area. Ram did marriage because he was knowing that if he is going to get a marriage, the child career will not be set, right? The child career will be ruined. So Because the child was an orphan, right? Orphan का मतलब क्या होता है अनाथ. उसको किसको मिला था? राम को मिला था. When he was traveling, right? So that same child became a prominent doctor in that area. So you can just feel like it's all about the efforts. What Ram efforts, Ram put efforts, like Ram started taking care of that child. Okay? And finally, what was the result, guys? The result was very spectacular. That is known as the result was that guy became a famous doctor. Okay, so now you can clap for this story if you like. Yeah, if you like, you can clap for this story. See guys, I'll tell you one more thing. See story or situation handling. First, you just have to just think twice or thrice what you can speak and how you can speak. There are three things: how, when, and why. Guys, trust me, please have faith on my words. Please keep looking on this how, when, and why. If you think about any topic, you can just easily talk about that. And even the another part is, in every topics, if suddenly if I give you like some topics, please come here and speak. Like if I call you Prince, Prince, can you come here and join? Come here, just come. So everyone just welcome him on Prince. We will be coming now and we will just speak few lines. Okay, see how him, see, he's my student, his name is a Prince. Okay, now he's gonna speak few lines on the topic of this marker. What is the advantages of and what is the disadvantages of? Because guys, always remember there are two things: advantage and disadvantage, right? So now he's gonna talk advantage also and disadvantage. So let's again welcome him and give him a big round of applause. Be confident, yes.
Good morning everyone, I am Prince Kumar. I am studying class at 9 now and I am going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of this marker. This marker is used for writing on this board and every teacher uses this marker to teach us our students. So this marker is very useful for us because from this marker teacher teaches us many things and they
known as a smart marker.
know that in a smart class. This marker is used in digital boards like this, and this marker has no use of ink. This marker runs on this board. Digital boards only.
So this is known as a smart marker.
So no need of ink in this marker, and our ink.
This is inkless.
This is inkless.
Yes.
This marker is very useful in our study because if we use this marker, then we can save our money to buy the markers from the market. So we have used this marker more from the marker that we use ink markers.
Yes. Very well said. Everyone. You can see now I have my students. Now I'm going to call my another student whose name is Kundan. Kundan will come here. Kundan, come here. Kundan is going to come. And see, it means, see guys, you all guys will come here and speak here. Everyone, even she will come here. You will come here. Everyone. My motto is what, guys? I want you all just to make you a good orator. So how it will happen? With your perfections, with your confidence and with your hard efforts. So now see, he's always grading or gaining lot of numbers in all subjects. So he's very talented. So now see, he is going to speak few lines about the school. Okay, school. Why school is important and all. So Kundan,
good morning all of you. I know you well. I'm just telling about school. School is a place where every student getting knowledge and it is very helpful for everyone, and we know our school is also known as a temple.
yes, very good. Very good.
And teachers are very helping all the students in the school because they are known as the
Career builder.
career studying well in his subject in my class. And
We are lucky to have you.
and we are lucky to have him. So
Even I'm lucky to have you all in my class actually, being as a teacher, guys. Everyone clap for Ram. See, I will be introducing you my all students one by one, step by step. Gather up, just sample of me now. So have a patience, you will have a sweet fruits, right? So let's end up of the session, guys. I will be posting to the different videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.